All right, this is a 2017 International HX, and I believe on most heavy-duty trucks or commercial vehicles, there's a strange thing. Basically, we installed this tank here, and you can see it runs a 7-pin trailer connector to feed power to the tail lights, turn signals, brake lights, reverse light, and license plate light. So it was kind of odd. I had the factory harness that has a connector that feeds this piece of wire that plugs into the tank. And basically you have 7 wires on here, and you got brake, right turn, left turn, ground, tail lights, auxiliary power, and reverse. And when I tested all the wiring, I had all of those except for reverse. I had another tail light. So I had 2 tail lights, and I thought that was kind of odd. I'm going like, well, where's the reverse wire? Why is there 2 tail lights? And that's because most trailers that get towed by trucks like this don't have reverse lights. They just have your turn signals, brake lights, marker lights along the top, or what they call clearance lights. And that's why there was an extra wire for tail lights or clearance lights. And then your traditional tail lights. If it had a different, some sort of a powered unit or something inside that needs auxiliary power. So I just thought that was strange that it didn't have reverse lights. And of course this thing has reverse lights. So I needed that reverse light signal, and I had to find a different section of the harness to actually feed a reverse signal to the lights. And luckily in the harness, the main harness that runs along the frame that houses the 7 wires, just below it there was actually a reverse signal wire that goes to the back to feed the reverse light that was originally with the truck. So I was able to use that and wire it into this plug to give the reverse lights on the tank signal so they could work. So I just thought that was interesting that the plug for the 7-pin wiring connector that you plug in doesn't have reverse.